Thank you. I will stop there and very much welcome your comments and questions, and let's get going.
Yeah. My name is Abdullahi. I'm the media. Ambassador David, when the media in Somalia, Somaliland are referring your visits to both countries, they say the ambassador to Somaliland and Somalia. Do you consider yourself an ambassador to Somaliland?
I can see that we're starting off with the hard ones. But that's good, we get them out of the way early on. Am I ambassador to Somaliland and Somalia? Yes, in the sense that ambassadorships work on the basis of there are certain rules and protocols around being appointed an ambassador, being based in a particular place. I am based in Mogadishu, not in Hargeisa, because formally, in terms of international protocol, Mogadishu is recognised as the national capital. But that doesn't stop me from taking a strong interest at all I take a big interest in what's happening in Somaliland, and as Rosie and others will tell you, I have visited Somaliland pretty regularly during my time, and I will want to carry on doing that. And I always very well received when I'm there. I had dinner in your home, which I greatly enjoyed, and look forward to repeating that experience. So I think there's a sort of a narrow issue of sort of diplomatic protocol, and then there's a sort of practicalities of doing the job. The practicalities of doing the job means that I like to make sure I have a presence in both Somaliland and Somalia.